Introducing the TRX700 Air Pro from Weld, the pinnacle of air-fed welding systems. The TRX700 Air Pro is designed for maximum protection and productivity. With class-leading TH3 filtration, it shields you from harmful welding fumes, providing a safer working environment. The system's powered air purifying respirator boasts an impressive 99.97% filtration efficiency, guarding your lungs against solid particles, smoke, dust, and fumes. It's not just about safety, it's also about uninterrupted performance. The system's long-lasting battery offers up to 7 hours of runtime, ensuring you can work through the day without pause. The TRX700 Air Pro stands out with its economically priced consumables, making it a smart choice for your wallet. Integrating with the Top Gun series, TRX900 helmet features a lightweight, flip-up design, seamlessly integrating comfort with functionality. It intelligently adapts from a high transmittance shade 3 to darker shades, covering a range from 4 to 15, catering to various welding environments. Final touches like the automated wake up and sleep functions, alongside an intuitive LCD display, make the TRX700 Air Pro a standout choice for welders.